Okay, everybody, this is your buddy Wade Squatchmann. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, colossal. I'm still on the trail. Look at that. There's some splinterage in there. Look at that. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Let's go to the other side and look first. Absolutely amazing. It broke back up in there, come crashing down. And they're probably hiding in there, the young ones, because they used the old dead trees. If y'all see anything, let me know. Most likely I'm not going to be videotaping on the way back because I got so much footage. I just want to know where I'm headed. I want to know where I'm going. I don't know where I'm going to end up at, but always amazing evidence back in here. If y'all see anything, let me know. And I'm glad I've been on a trail because it's starting to get green and thick, so there's going to be ticks off the trail. I've already found ticks on me in the last couple of days. So let's just keep going. Holy crap, so much stuff going on. There's a lot of aged broken trees. A lot of aged. I think I might have to turn around. I don't know where I'm going. Been walking for like over an hour. I'm worn out. Look at this, y'all. Look at this on the trail. That's where we come from. We're getting ready to follow that. We're getting ready to head back. Oh, seeing, oh, okay. I have an orange flag blowing. It's a marker. So there's been humans back in here. So we'll go to that flag and turn around. That streamer, orange streamer. And it's day glow, so that means Hunter's been marking stuff back in here. But the whole time I have walked this trail, I have gotten some incredible, whoa, I heard a grunt. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna ignore it, act like I didn't hear it. Okay, we're getting ready to turn around. I'm headed down to this orange streamer. I hope y'all have enjoyed this. Tomorrow's Easter Sunday. It's just been absolutely amazing back in here on this. I did a good amount of videos. The bugs are starting to fly out, but I'm not going to go any farther. Good old streamer marker right there. There's a couple of them, so there's a path. So we're going to ready to head on back. I don't know how long it's going to take me to walk back, at least an hour. So if I see anything, I'll turn my camera on. I hope y'all have enjoyed this. It's been amazing back here. A lot of big Sasquatch activity. I believe that they're big in here and they're hiding, shimmering, doing what they got to do to stay not seen. There's a road up there, but I'm not going up there. But all right, let's get ready to head on out of here, y'all. I'll take my time. thank you to the streamer for letting me know where I'm at. So, all right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is your old buddy Wade Squatchmann. I hope you all have had an amazing adventure down here. Tomorrow's Easter Sunday. You probably won't see this video for about a week, maybe more, but just letting you know what day it is. All right, if I see anything else, I'll turn the camera back on, but so far, so good. All right, y'all, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, keep on squatching, keep on rocking in the free world. I always say that, and that's what I want you to do. Get out here and enjoy life. Walk the park. I just walked one trail. There's like 2 or 3 more down here, but I'm not doing them today. Okay, y'all. I'll talk to y'all on the next one. May y'all have a blessed Easter. Enjoy your family. Easter dinner, and if the Easter Bunny brings you some candy, enjoy it. God bless y'all. We are out.